So I just got home from my work and I'm cooking, but I'm also working. Kasi hindi pa tapos yung shift ko, but I'm very, very hungry already. So, habang pinapakuluan ko yung aking shrimp mug, ano muna ako, mag-reply sa clients. So, yun lang naman ang agenda for today. And then dinner, and then work ulit. Work is life. Hi guys! Masaya na uli kami.
Nakuha na yung Empadron,
Yes,
guys.
after
Tapos
so long.
high blood pa ako kanina kasi ang daming
nawala ng
tanong
isang
ni
tao
Ate.
dito. Tapos ano pa, may batang umiiyak.
Oo, nakaka-high blood.
Ayun guys, naka-empadron na kami. So,
Ready to rumble.
FYI, ang empadron po. Wow, may pa-details. You know, here in Spain, when you have empadron,
You're a
yun po
legal
ang
person.
yun po ang patunay na nakatira ka dun sa bahay. Pero may ganun ba sa Pinas?
Wala.
Alam ko kasi yun lang yung
City
nagsisensus
Hall.
ba? Yung lalapit sila sa'yo na
Oo.
ilan po yung taong nakatira dito? Tatlo
Yun lang,
po.
census
Yun lang. Pero never ako nagkaroon ng ganito na proof na nakatira ko sa bahay na to.
Oo.
Kaya pala kapag yung mga bangko, naghahanap sila ng proof na doon ka nakatira. Kailangan may document ka na doon ay papadala yung
Oo.
sulat. Okay, gets. Dito legal ganun. Yun lang yung nag-iisang document na patunay na doon ka nakatira. Yun lang. Punta
Yun lang.
kami ng El Corte ata.
Oo, Forte or Santander.
So let's go.
Gusto ko talaga magka-credit card.
Nainggit siya guys.
Naiingit ako, guys. Kailangan meron din ako.
Yun. Ganda ng
Joke lang.
flowers. Okay,
Ganda
bye.
ng flowers, oh. Baby.
Okay.
And hojicha. Hojicha.
Hojicha. And for this one, what kind of milk do you prefer? Normal or?
Normal.
Okay. Okay. Hojicha. And for you, hojicha, but cold or hot?
Hot lang.
Hot. Hojicha latte. Hojicha latte. And the size for your hot? Small. Small. Okay.
Same.
And the milk? What kind of milk do you prefer? Normal. Okay.
Tea siya, same sila na matcha, na dahon. Kaso hindi ko alam yung difference. Yung pala, dried lang.
Right lang.
Kaya siya mas matapang.
Thank you, B.
You're welcome. Hi guys, good afternoon. I'm gonna start work in 10 minutes. I'm just waiting for 3 p.m. But naglista na ako ng outline ng gagawin ko and I have to leave in a while as well. Because I have face-to-face tutor. And I'm so tired, I'm so sleepy. Ang ginawa ko lang naman is naglaba tapos nagluto. But I'm really so sleepy. I just wanna rest for the rest of the day. Oh well, but I don't know. I don't know if it's 4 to 5 p.m. or 4 to 6. But we will see later. Yeah, so I'm leaving around 3:30. And then, let's see. Yun lang. Wala namang life update. I'm just really sleepy. Guys, ang lakas ng hangin. So, I don't know if you're hearing me right now. But, katinailong ko. Punta ako ng media market. I just finished my morning work. And, wala na ako ibang time. Because I have work also tomorrow. So, I need to buy earphones today. Because I have online work on Sunday again. So, yeah. Kamusta naman kayo? Sana narinig nyo ako. Ang lakas ng hangin. Agenda for today. Ayun nga, binila ko earphones. And then I go home. And then by 2 p.m., it's already 11. 2 p.m., pipila ako sa tickets ng BTS for my friend, si Tin. And then after, I have a laser session at 5 ata or 5:30. And then basically that's my day. I don't know if I'll go to a coffee shop kasi ngayon lang talaga yung free time ko, yung free day ko. And I haven't been to any new coffee shops lately, so yeah, I'm pretty curious about what to do today. Pero ayoko na kasi gumastos kasi dami kong gastos this month. But let's see. Let's go. Hi guys, so papunta ako ngayon sa laser center. It's my first time, so hindi ko lang ako na-expect. Nahiya ako mag-vlog kapag mag-isa ako, pero we were able to secure our tickets for BTS and it's floor tickets, so wala lang, na-overwhelm ako kasi hindi naman talaga ako big fan, but I really wanna go with my friends and okay naman kasi yung vibe, so ayun. So bibis ako na yung lakad kasi malate na ako. See you later. Guys, kanina pa ako nagsasalita tapos di pala naka-record. Visit. Anyway, so ayun nga, nag-aantay ako ng tram. Kakatapos lang nung laser appointment ko. And it's super nice for the price. It's actually 6 euros. So around 400 sa Philippines, 400 to 420 more or less, and it's already good. So I just did underarms and it's my first time. Hindi naman siya masakit, so it's nice. I'm waiting for the tram kasi punta ako na Saler. It's the place where I do my groceries lately. So for next week, I plan to make lumpiang Shanghai. I also plan to get like yung panseta lang, yung parang pang lechong kawali, ganon. And I'm also thinking of what to get na vegetables. Kasi parang pansin ko lately, hindi ako nag-vegetables. And I feel bad na hindi ako nagugulay. Pero, when it comes to vitamins naman, I always take my vitamins. So, ayun. Sa coffee, may coffee pa sa bahay, but I might get another pack of milk. Na-realize ko ang lakas namin sa milk. Like this week, almost 2 packs ng milk yung nagamit namin. Ako, personally, paubos na yung isa kong pack ng milk. And I get like oat milk and then regular milk. Kasi, yun nga, nagka-try kasi ako na mag-coffee na lang at home. Pero when I do my coffee at home, posh pa rin siya. Medyo, inaano ko pa rin. Nagka-try ako ng different flavors and whatever. So, ayun. So, yun lang naman ang i-grocery ko today. Hopefully, wala tayong bilhin na hindi natin kailangan. But we'll see. So, I'll see you there later. Bye! Fall in love without eyes closed. Have my coffee with Colacao. So basically, Colacao is like Milo. And for dinner, I have pizza and pasta. Give me a second. Let me get you. Okay, so as you can see here, I have my carbonara and my pizza. Alam nyo guys, pag nagka-cafe ako, ganda yung itsura niya. Like, di ba? Cutie. Anyways, so bon appetit! Guys, I got myself macarons. Ang sarap. Oh my god, so good. Frozen siya. Tapos, ano lang ako. Ay, pinatay ko yung ilaw. So basically, frozen siya. Tapos, sabi nila, lagay lang daw sa rep. Tapos pwede na siya kainin. Pero, ininit ko siya ng konti. Ang sarap. This one I think is pistachio. So good. And this one is cookies and cream. God, so good. Hi guys. Feeling ko every time nagbe-video ako, meron akong bagong binili. Ang gastos ko. But, yeah, I did get something today. So, I worked earlier. And before I went home, nagpunta ako sa Chino store and sa Teddy. So, I have a few things that I bought. First is pillowcases because I don't have any pillowcases. And then, what else did I buy? Oh, okay. I got myself a shower cap. Kasi minsan gusto ko mag-shower pero ayokong basain yung hair ko. Next is this puncher. It's hard. Kasi diba ako naalala nyo, we made those punch cards. So, may mga na-achieve na ako. It's just January pero may na-achieve na ako. So, I'm going to punch on it. This one. It's just a plain white cartolina because I've been taking pictures of some of the products and I need a better white background kasi yung background ko medyo madumi. So, maganda rin na may ganyan. Tapos pwede ipatong sa mga tables. And then for Teddy, if you can remember, we got the savings challenge. So, I got this for the savings. So, yung mga bills, dito siya. And then for the coins, this is so cute! I got this one. So, it's a coin bank and then pwede mo rin naman siya i-open. But, yeah, basically, those are the things that I got today. Later, mag-sleepover ulit dito si Jer Bear at saka si Ray. So, we have the girls again. I don't know what we're eating. I'm planning to make lumpia, pero I'm so tired from work. So, I'm not sure if we're gonna eat outside. But, that's it. What else? I'm just probably gonna fix some things in the room. Or rearrange stuff. Might start the cash stuffing thing. But, let's see what I'll be doing. But, that's it. I'll see you again later. Too much whiskey in my blood. I feel my body giving up. Guys, it's so cold. Hi guys, good evening. So currently, it's 7 p.m. around that time. And papunta na ako sa bus stop. I just finished my tutor. And then I have online work right now. So pag upo ko dun sa bus, I'll check already my clients. So ayun, I'm a bit tired, pero not so tired because I was able to have a bit of me time earlier. sa bahay. So, I'm happy about that. Hinihingal ako. Ba't ako hinihingal? Kasi tumakbo pala ako. But ayun, I might go to Druni sa Saler first before I go home kasi ang kati ng mukha ko. Feeling ko kailangan ko ng bagong moisturizer. Pero let's see. So, ayun. Tinin. Medyo malamig today compared kaninang umaga. Yun lang. Sorry I haven't been super active lately kasi sobrang busy tapos na-drain din ako at some point. So, ayun. Be right back. Hi guys, kakatapos lang ng part-time work ko. And it's still early kasi umulan, so mas mabilis yung work ko today. Wala, nabasa siya. Waterproof ba to? Anyways, it's a good hair day. And inom muna ako tubig. I don't know if I should go home because I have work at 7. But I kinda wanna go sa center and get some hangers for my clothes. Pero, hindi ko alam. Gastos na naman eh. So, let's see. Sarap ng tubig. So, ayun. Kumusta naman kayo? Okay naman kami lately. Super busy. Super busy and then ang daming iniisip. So, ayun. But, excited na ako kasi next week is already February. So, marami tayong ganap. And hopefully, okay lahat. Magbo-birthday si Tin. I might watch a Somber. I'm such a fan. Pero, yun lang. So, I have two things to look forward to sa February agad. And, let's go! Good morning, guys. So, it's a Thursday and we're doing Pilates later. So, I'm just getting ready. Baka kasi mag-breakfast kami here or outside, di ko sure. But, yeah. That's the agenda for today. Usually naman kapag Wednesdays or Thursday, ganun. Kasi wala akong morning work. So, my mornings are for workout, Pilates, and later, hindi ko alam kung may tutor din ako. Sana meron. Pero if wala, sleep lang ako dito sa bahay na extra kasi alam niyo naman yung work ko until 3 a.m. So I would need all the rest that I could get. But yeah, basically that's it. Pansin ko, mahaba ni hair ko. Ayan. So hopefully, papahabain ko siya hanggang dito. Ayun. Guys, I'm planning to get this. It's the Alpro vanilla flavor. Pero, they also have the Oatly that's matcha and the barista version. So, naku-confuse ako which one. And I also saw this. First time ko makita to. They have Oatly na caramel. Interesting. And also cacao. They have so much here. I'm so confused, but I'm so excited to go home to make my coffee. But I think I'll stick with this one. I really want to try this.
Sorry. This one. Ay!
Ano yung gusto mo, Abi? Ito yung gusto ko i-try yung Dr. Althea.
Ay. Oh, mali yan, di ba?
Ikaw, ano din?